like that. Guys, it is going down. You are a part of it. The Bucs parade is getting ready to take off. We got old pirate ships everywhere. All the Buccaneers are on them boats. You guys are coming with us through this lens right here. The parade starts in 30 minutes, and we're gonna sail off down the Hillsborough River, through downtown, all the way to the convention center, and then I'm sure there are gonna be cannons firing off of one of these boats. There has to be. But as always, you guys are coming with us through this lens right here. Let's enjoy this Tampa Bay Buccaneers River Parade.
Welcome to Tampa!
Way to go, baby, way to go! All the fans everywhere. Thousands and thousands, guys. Come out and support this. What an incredible achievement. Insane! Brady! Brady!
Brady! Brady! Brady! Brady!
What an insane experience. We got people out here shooting cannons. This is amazing. Look at this. Boat parade goes for miles, guys. Tampa Bay brought it home. And you guys got to join the parade through this lens right here. What an epic boat parade here on the Hillsborough River with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, the whole team out there. Tampa Bay came out in drones. I mean, dude, they were all over the river walk, thousands of people. You guys, as always, get to come with me through this lens right here. Throw a thumbs up on this video, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and until the next adventure, Tampa Bay, Super Bowl 55, home turf, locked it down, and the boat parade was super epic, and you guys got to join us. We are out of here. Let's go.
We are all looking for adventure.